Yes.
So I have been earning my own money, but when I was married, since in fact when I was before even I got married, so since 12th standard I have been earning and spending on myself. So I didn't have this idea कि जब मुझे शादी करनी है, so I have to use my use as in I need to save mine and use my husband's money like whatever expenses and all. But उस केस में भी यही हुआ था कि I am spending my own and he is spending his own. तो फाइनेंशियली भी हम ऐसे थे कि रूममेट्स टाइप कि हाँ बस शेयर जो भी कर रहे हैं. सो वो आदत ना वहीं पड़ी हुई है. बट उस टाइम पे ये था कि फाइनेंशियली मुझे एज सच घर का या वो सब बाकी सब मुझे नहीं देखना पड़ता था, सिर्फ अपना ही देखना पड़ता था. नाउ व्हेन आई एम
Right.
अलोन एंड सेपरेटेड, नाउ ऑल्सो आई एम डूइंग ऑल बाय माई सेल्फ. बट द थिंग इज, पैसा पहले भी था, पैसा आज भी है. बट जो रिलेशनशिप है कि मैं सेव नहीं कर पाती एंड द फियर ऑफ हैविंग मोर, कि अगर मेरे पास और आया ना आई वोंट बी एबल टू मैनेज इट. आई वोंट बी एबल टू नो सेव कहाँ करना है, कितना करना है, इन्वेस्ट करना है. तो अब मेरे माइंड में ये चल रहा था कि मैं फाइनेंशियल कोर्सेज करूँ क्या, मतलब बजटिंग करूँ क्या. मतलब दिस इज
Hmm.
व्हाट आई फील लाइक.
So what is the lie you are telling to yourself that I am not a money manager? I am not a good money manager,
हम्म.
right? So this is your lie. Put it, right? And that is why money बोल रहे कि भैया ये तो संभाल ही नहीं पाएगी. I am not going to come.
हम्म.
Are you
राइट.
getting?
हाँ, मेरा
या.
भी यही है।
हाँ, मैंने हमेशा बोला है जिनके पास पैसे हैं उनके पास प्रॉब्लम आती है. दे आर नॉट
हाँ।
हैप्पी. And I mean that's changing after
हाँ।
I've connected with Pooja. But that was my biggest thing. मतलब if they are rich, मतलब पक्का problem. And so I'm
Right.
good middle class or whatever.
हम्म।
So
So
that's
these all
why.
are your lies. Okay, you put it down. Neeta, just rectify that statement which you have written. Ki what is that belief which makes you feel? Ayushi, what is your belief? कि पैसा कमाना इजी नहीं है, ये आप अपने आप को बोलते रहते हो कि इसके लिए स्ट्रगल हार्ड करना पड़ता है. जस्ट वन लाइन. एंड इसीलिए मैं वेल्थ के वर्थ नहीं हूँ, या फिर मैं एक मिडिल क्लास से आती हूँ. आई एम नॉट वर्थ वेल्थ, राइट? मेरे पुश्तों में किसी ने इतना पैसा नहीं देखा, तो वाई विल, सो आई एम ऑल्सो नॉट वेल्थ, राइट? विल वर्थ वेल्थ. What is that one thought, one belief, one lie? So that is actually a lie.
आई एम एक्चुअली वर्किंग फॉर वेल्थ, बट माइंड में ऐसा रहता है कि मैं बहुत ज्यादा थक गई हूँ, मुझसे हो नहीं रहा. पैसा आ रहा है लेकिन आई एम नॉट, यानी कि मैं खुद पे बिलीव नहीं कर पा रही हूँ कि मैं वो कर पाऊंगी या नहीं. तो मुझे वो बहुत ज्यादा टायर्डनेस आता है और ऐसा लगता है मैं ही क्यों करूँ. सो
Right.
दैट फीलिंग, मुझे ऐसा लगता है वो मैं खुद से झूठ बोल रही हूँ. मैं सब कर सकती हूँ बट
Mhm.
एट द बैक ऑफ द माइंड मेरे मन में वही चलता रहता है कि मैं ही क्यों, वाई आई
Right.
एम टेकिंग रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज.
Hmm.
सो आई
तो
थिंक सो
आपके
दैट्स
दो लाइन
माई
कि
बिग
आई
लाई.
शुड नॉट बी टेकिंग रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी. दिस इज वन लाइन. ठीक है. This is you, what you are telling to yourself. The second is, I have to work harder than anyone else to earn money. शायद मुझे अपने हस्बैंड से ज्यादा मेहनत करनी पड़ती है. Maybe like I am the lady of the house, and that is why I am not able to earn money, because I have so many multiple responsibilities. ठीक है.
आई नो मैं वो
और
कर सकती हूँ बट बैक ऑफ द माइंड में ऐसा रहता है, नहीं
yes.
अभी बहुत ज्यादा
So now
थक गई,
these all
फोकस
are
लो.
your lies. ठीक है. Got the point that what is the lie which you are going to, which you are telling yourself continuously. ठीक है. This is the great lie. So now this is what you have to convert into your satya, which we covered yesterday. Are you ready to get into that? So what is the theme of today is samskars. What is it? Right, the theme of the today, and the topic of today, day 2, is the time illusion. Remember I told you yesterday, time illusion. Yes, Kirtik, samskar. The theme is samskar. That means your past impressions.
पास्ट.
And impressions. And kal. Past impressions and kal. Samskars and kal. Kal is your time. This is the theme of today. The topic is time illusion. The theme is samskars and kal. So, what are we gonna do today is we are going to break your addiction to your Arey Baba re. Just a second. So, what are we gonna do? We are gonna break your addiction to the past. है ना? बार बार past में जाते हैं. So, we are going to break that addiction. Let's stand up and do our ritual. Ah, so exciting, huh? Yeah. So first, feel the floor. So S is for stillness, stability, right? Feel your feet on the ground. Feel Mother Earth. P will be for purifying. That is your frequency flush. I will be intention, will be putting intent, right? Then R will be receiving. You will put your hands up in the sky with your palms facing upwards. Then again, I will be all about igniting, right? Igniting is that clapping thing, right? Remember? And the T will be trust. So we'll be putting that trust that we are, the Shuddhikaran has already started, right? Ready? Feel the floor, feel the ground, the Mother Earth, and say that this is your power base, right? Connect with it. Second is your purify. Inhale deep. And when you are inhaling, feel that as if you are filling water in the glass. How does it fill? From the bottom, right? So fill that air inside you and then exhale with the sound of ha. Once more, please. Let's do that frequency flush once again because you have been coming from, somewhere or having the different energies inside you. Yes. Now place your hand on your heart and have the intention that I am ready to be who I was supposed to be. I am ready to be who I was supposed to be. Yes, I am ready to be who I was supposed to be. Put your hands up in the air, palms facing towards the sky, and repeat after me that I am the frequency my money recognizes. I am the frequency my money recognizes. I am the frequency my money recognizes. Beautiful. Now close your eyes and you're going to clap with me 3 times when I say and feel that. The first one, I clear my blocks. Clap loud. I align with abundance. I become my breakthrough. Once more, I clear my blocks. I align with abundance. And I become my breakthrough. And trust that the Shuddhikaran has begun. Shuddhikaran is happening. The clearing is happening. Yes. Feel that vibration, that sensation in your body and then sit. Let's come back to this room. Beautiful. Thank you for participation once again. So yesterday we found our baseline frequency, right? That what is your score? Yeah, you remember your score? See, why did we identify the score? Because this is the score which we are going to change throughout towards till the end of the journey, right? इसीलिए हमें ये number पता करना जरूरी था, right? So now, today I'm going to break another myth or the biggest illusion that time वो कल्प्रिट है जो आपको आपकी डेस्टिनी, आपकी वांट या आपके डिजायर या वॉट एवर यू वांट उससे रोक रहा है कि भाई अभी कितने लोग बोलते कि भाई अभी टाइम नहीं आया, शायद है ना, बोलते ना अभी टाइम नहीं आया होगा। भैया टाइम तो चल रहा है ना, तो क्यों नहीं आया होगा? टाइम तो चल रहा है, आ चुका है टाइम। तभी तो चल रहा है. Why do you keep saying कि अभी टाइम नहीं आया, वक्त नहीं आया? क्योंकि सुना है ना कि वक्त नहीं आया होगा, right? People say divine timing, that is for not having the attachment. That is a separate concept. We'll cover that also, right? But when we say about the time illusion, you will find n number of concepts to be covered in Gita, Ramayana, right? So you will see. I'm also going to tell you that how beautiful it is that time does not exist. Time does not exist. या फिर है. ठीक है? Is time real? Right? So we are gonna cover all that. And तो जब आप ये कहते हो ना कि बहुत से लोग बोलते हैं कि by next year I'll be wealthy. अगले साल तक देखना मेरे पास ये आ जाएगा, अगले साल तक देखना मेरे पास गाड़ी होगी, अगले साल तक देख. भाई साहब, अंडरस्टैंड द यूनिवर्स. लिखो इसको, लिखो. क्या लिखोगे? That universe does not understand the calendar. Universe does not understand the calendar. The universe understands your frequency. Right? है कि नहीं? यूनिवर्स को पता है कि आपका कैलेंडर है? यूनिवर्स को क्या
आपसे
पता है?
आपसे बात
सॉरी?
करते करते रियलाइज हो रहा है कि मुझे ये भी नहीं पता कि इफ आई गेट मनी व्हाट विल आई डू विद इट। कहाँ
एग्जैक्टली.
से आएगा?
तभी तो नहीं आ रहा है.
अभी
तो
तो नहीं होगा।
मुझे फोन लेना.
Okay. Right? So now, universe does not check your calendar, but it checks your frequency. Are you getting me? So now, the version of you, अगर हम बोले कि अगले साल की हम जब बात कर रहे हैं, right? Who will? Okay. बहुत सारा चाहिए. Fine. So now, understand that कि कभी कभी ऐसा होता है कि कोई कोई पल बहुत लंबा लगता है और कोई कोई पल एक एक घंटा भी कैसे चला जाता है पता नहीं चलता. तो कहाँ गया टाइम? व्हाट इज इट? कि टाइम छोटा हो गया, कि टाइम एक एक मिनट इतना बड़ा हो गया? व्हाट इज इट? थिंक ऑफ इट. टाइम बदल गया, मतलब एक एक मिनट था पर वो एक घंटे के जैसे लग रहा है, पर वो जो एक घंटा था वो 5 मिनट के जैसे लग रहा है. यू मस्ट हैव एक्सपीरियंस दिस, राइट? इज इट एन इल्यूशन?
Maybe when we are feeling good, time quickly passes by, and when you're feeling low or negative, तो कटता ही नहीं है।
Keep it with you. We'll come on it. Yeah. ठीक है.
आई थिंक
So
जब
now,
हम अपने मन की कर रहे होते हैं, लाइक व्हेन वी डू व्हाट वी वांट टू डू, लाइक जैसे मुझे डांस बहुत पसंद है, तो मैं 4 घंटे एट अ स्ट्रेच डांस कर सकती हूँ, तो मुझे 4 घंटे नहीं पता चलेंगे, बट ये 4 घंटे जब वॉक करने पड़ेगी तो मौत आती है कि 4 घंटे, ओ अभी 1 घंटा हुआ है, अभी 1.5 घंटा हुआ है, अभी और नहीं हो पाएगा. सो मे बी वॉट वी फील लाइक वॉट वी वॉन्ट टू डू फ्रॉम आवर हार्ट्स, सो वो टाइम ऐसे पास होता है, लाइक वॉट आवर पैशंस आर और वॉट वी
now,
डिजायर.
wonderful. So now write this statement. Time is always happening, right? The time which is passing depends on the energy you are putting in that moment. Is that energy, that emotion, right? तो टाइम छोटा या बड़ा या लंबा नहीं है. The energy which you are putting in that time makes it shorter or longer.
रिपीट करना प्रीति.
The time is actually the energy you are putting into it. And what is energy? Your emotions, your feelings, right? And from where are these emotions and feelings coming? From what you are thinking. है ना? तभी आपने कहा ना कि अभी अलीशा ने कहा कि जब हम बहुत खुश होते हैं तो पता नहीं चलता. What is that energy of happiness, the joy, right? तो फिर वो टाइम जल्दी से निकल जाता है, या फिर वो टाइम में आप हाई एनर्जी होते हो और वो टाइम फटाफट आ भी जाता है, राइट? इट गोज. सो इट्स एक्चुअली द टाइम. कुछ लोग कहते हैं द टाइम इज बेसिकली द टू एक्टिविटीज विच यू आर डूइंग, उसके बीच का जो स्पेस है दैट इज टाइम, राइट? आप सुबह उठे, आपने चाय पी. कुछ लोग सुबह उठने और चाय पीने के टाइम को 5 मिनट में भी पी लेते हैं, कुछ लोग 1 घंटे में पीते हैं. दैट इज टाइम. सो टाइम इज रिलेटेबल. टाइम इज एक्चुअली इल्यूजन. मैं समय हूँ. सुना है? सुना है? मैं समय हूँ. So who is समय? It's you. Are you getting it? So you are the time. You are the समय. Understand that your time is you yourself. Right? So, और अगर एक और ब्यूटीफुल सी बात बताऊं कि आप जो बोल रहे हो कि अगले साल में ये होगा, ये मेरे पास ये होगा, that version of yours is already existing. अगर आज की डेट लिखो बड़ी बड़ी 6 January 2026 and another date is 6 January 2027. Do you believe that here also you are and here you also are? You exist here also on 2027. Exist कर रहे हो ना? तभी तो आया दिमाग में कि in 2027 6th January I am there and I am having this. The only thing is the relatability of time. Can we bring this here? Possible है? Because मैं समय हूँ. That is what I say, the feel the time law. Right? Got it? So the only thing, what is stopping then you? What is stopping? क्या stop कर रहा है?
Our conversation about time.
Hmm?
The lie.
Yes, the great lie. ठीक है? What is that great light doing? Actually, आपने ग्रामोफोन का वो देखा है? रिकॉर्ड. अगर उस पे कहीं पे छोटा सा स्क्रैच आएगा, what will happen? It will go back. It will go back. It will play the same thing. And that is what we call the patterns. That is what we call the patterns, right? Did you hear the audio I sent?
Yeah.
What was it talking about? The repatterning, which we are gonna do. So no, okay? So now, the only thing stopping you is that old scratch, the old groove which we have to remove. अगर हम उसको ठीक कर देंगे तो आपका रिकॉर्ड प्ले ठीक बजेगा. It will
Yeah.
play beautifully, right? And then it will be easier for you to go forward rather than going and playing the same record. वो वापस, same thing, right? So imprints that are in your mind, they are actually keeping you stuck in your past, right? So if your nervous system अगर अभी भी वही बोल रहा है, क्या बोल रहा है? कि I'm not a good money manager, right? It is very hard to earn money. I have multiple responsibilities. क्योंकि किया है ना वो. So it means that you are teaching your body how to expect struggles. So even when you are visualizing abundance, whenever you are writing affirmations, आपके पीछे का रिकॉर्ड तो भैया वही बजते जा रहा है, क्योंकि grooves है ना, उसमें स्क्रैच लगा हुआ है, right? So you are, और अगर आप अपने यूनिवर्स को बोल रहे हो, क्योंकि यूनिवर्स क्या चेक करता है? यूनिवर्स चेक्स योर फ्रीक्वेंसी. यूनिवर्स
Frequency.
डज नॉट चेक योर कैलेंडर. यूनिवर्स को टाइम से कुछ नहीं लेना देना है. ठीक है दीप्ति? What were you saying?
That only frequency. I didn't realize I'm on unmute.
Yeah. So universe does not check your calendar. Universe checks your frequency. So now, if you feel abundant today, if you start feeling, आपके पास अगर 100 रुपया भी है, and you start feeling abundant, what are you teaching? Your existence. आज का जो existence है, what are you teaching? That my abundance is my identity. This is my identity. तो चाहे वो आज 100 रुपया है, कल 1000 रुपया हो, तो you are तो abundant already. Right? This is what we are gonna teach ourselves. But the feeling comes first, and then the money follows. ठीक है? A feeling, connection, कुछ भी बोलो. Let's connect that. Right? So now, before moving forward, write the topic. आप मैं ये टॉपिक्स इसलिए लिखवा रही हूँ क्योंकि जब आप वो कैलेंडर मैंने मास्टर क्लास में दिखाया था, आई शुड बी फॉलोइंग दैट, कि आप बाद में बोलो कि हाँ भाई प्रीति ने सारा कुछ कराया जो वहां पे बताया था मास्टर क्लास में. ठीक है? दैट इज व्हाई आई एम आस्किंग यू टू राइट द टर्म्स. डीप visualization, that is the quantum jump. I'm going to make you jump. So what is it all about? This is basically your future memory implantation होने वाला है अभी. तो कल सर्जरी करी थी हमने थोड़ी सी, अभी उसमें हम नया एक सीड डालने वाले हैं. ठीक है? Right? So I want you to put your pens down and close your eyes and then come back to me. Is it audible? The music is audible? Yeah? And my voice is clear? Loud? Okay. Are you all in a comfortable state? Yeah? Will you be able to focus here where I'm going to take you? This is a quantum jump. It's straight. Take a deep breath in. Relax. Inhale and exhale completely. Feel the music. Beautiful. Relax. Take a deep breath in once again. Don't go anywhere else. Come back here. They come back. Your thoughts will come to wander you, like it'll come to distract you, but that's okay. Come back to me and focus towards my voice. Now imagine you are in a long corridor. It's a beautiful corridor. And then at the end of this corridor, that's another door that says, or that's written over there, January 6, 2027. It's written in the golden words. Start walking towards it. Feel your body as if you are in right now. Start walking towards that door. Feel the air while you are walking towards that door. Once you touch it, feel the texture of that door. Hold the handle. How does that handle look like? Is it wooden? Is it golden? Or some other texture? Feel it and open the door and step inside. Look around. This is where you are waking up. Maybe this is your favorite room, having your favorite view. See if there is a bed over there. How's the sheet? The color of it? What's the texture of the sheet? Is it cotton? Is it soft linen or silk? Would you like to sit over there? Wow. Breathe the air. Maybe you can smell the coffee in the air or some fragrance of flowers or maybe the ocean breeze. And now feel your body. You feel so light. The weight you have been carrying for so long, it's gone. Feel that lightness in your body. And there's a smile on your face. And see, you can see your phone there is on the table next to your bed. Reach for your phone, lift it, and there's a notification of your bank app. Check your numbers. And it's normal. You feel so happy, but it's normal for you. Because this is your new reality. This is your new normal. That number might be huge, but it's okay. It's nothing extraordinary because it's a huge number. Keep your phone aside. And now look into the mirror. Look into your eyes. These are the eyes of your future self. She's smiling at you. And she wants to tell you that what did she do to have it all. Listen to her carefully. Listen to that one thing that she is whispering in your ears. Thank her. Give her a hug. You're being taken care of. Such a beautiful moment that you have got to know what she did. Let her go. But understand that she's always inside you. Where did she go actually? She merged with you only. She merged inside you. That's her energy which you are holding inside you. And now, slowly, you can come back to this room and open your eyes. And notice the room where you are in. Notice around what is on your table, on your bed, wherever you are sitting. Just feel that. So that is also reality. This is also reality. Merge, get merged. Yeah. Hold that beautiful feeling inside you. Don't let it just go away. And now I want to write your experience, that what was it? What did you feel? What was that one thing that your future self told you? And if you feel like sharing it, share it. You did it?
I feel that मैंने खुद को ही देखा and that she told me that you are the best and you did it and you got all success and you are the inspiration for all.
Beautiful. Beautiful. Write it down. आयुषी, ये वर्ड्स भूल जाओगे आप. अभी आपके फीलिंग है ना, लिखो इस पे. Write. दीप्ति, you okay?
Yeah.
Hmm.
I'm just going to type what I felt.
Yeah, say it, say it.
Go with the flow. You have it in you.
Beautiful. Alisha, are you okay? Good. You have it.
Done it.
Wonderful. Write that one thing which she whispered into your ears. Remember that. That's you only, right? दोबारा से वही गाना नहीं बजाना है, नया वाला गाना बजाना. ठीक है? Nita, what did your Nita say? Let's be open. Let's not be judgmental about our own selves. Yeah, बोलो, share करो. Good. Unmute. Nita, I'm waiting for you. नहीं सुना, हाँ जी.
मैम आई वॉज फीलिंग वेरी हैप्पी एंड मुझे लग रहा था कि जो मुझे चाहिए वो मेरे पास ऑलरेडी है शिपिंग थी।
ठीक है, तो आपकी जो नीता है वो कह रही थी कि बेटा तेरे पास ऑलरेडी है।
यस यस
सुपर,
एंड
बोलो। ओके, कीर्ति, व्हाट अबाउट यू? श्वेता, you wanna share? अच्छा अच्छा, कीर्ति आराम से, डोंट बी इन अ हरी।
एक सेकेंड, छिपकली आ गई नीचे बस एक।
श्वेता,
My future self just smiled at me, hugged me, and just said, "You finally did it, Miss Many. You are a billionaire now."
वाह,
बस।
तो now you are, feel that
तो
you
अब
are, you
मेरा
have brought it.
नंबर जो फिगर भी आया ना, जो कल मेरा नंबर 16 आया था, अब वो 16 के आगे 2 जीरो, फिर 2 जीरो, फिर 3 जीरो, तो वो लग
ऐसा
गया
नंबर
बस।
दिख रहा है। Superb. That is your new normal.
दैट इज माई न्यू नॉर्मल।
Yes.
मैंने आईफोन 17 पे अपना ऑरेंज कलर का वो नंबर चेक किया, ओहो अच्छा इतने क्रेडिट हो गए, ओके कोई बात नहीं। फोन अपसाइड डाउन रखकर मिरर के सामने गई एंड आई हग माई सेल्फ, वेरी नॉर्मल, कि ओह ऐसे एक्साइटेड में नहीं, एंड इट वाज लाइक इट्स नॉर्मल एवरी डे।
Exactly. This is your new normal. Are you getting that? You're not gonna chase. It's you. It's already there. Getting that illusion, time illusion thing. Yes, Kirti. कौन गया? आयुषी। हाँ बोलो, क्या नजर आया? ये अलग है।
इतना अच्छा व्यू था सब, ये छिपकली में।
चलो,
क्या
let's get into the energy. Yes.
यू मुझे like what she said was you doubted yourself and you deserved it all.
Yes. So you deserve it all. ठीक है? So जो लाई है उसको हटा दो। लाई को हटा देंगे, जो ग्रेट लाई है उसको साइड में कर देंगे, और नया वाला जो सच है उसको न्यू नॉर्मल बनाएंगे। ठीक है? आलिशा, व्हाट्स फॉर यू? वुड यू लाइक टू शेयर?
बहुत अच्छा।
बहुत
So
अच्छे के अलावा क्या
when
था?
I opened the door, it was not a room, it was my dream villa. I was
वाओ,
with my daughter, and when I went to the room upstairs, the view was all जो साइड में हमारा अरावली का पूरा दिखता है, hills and everything. Then I checked the balance on my ये 17 Pro. वो 3 CR था, अभी मेरा बोनस भी कुछ वैसे ही फिगर्स में आया था, तो वो रिलेट कर रहा शायद। I went to the mirror and that was with me and it said, you have done it, we are out and we are safe.
ब्यूटीफुल।
And then I invited my friends for a party also. They all came.
सारे फ्रेंड्स यहाँ तो नहीं बैठे हैं तेरे?
यही यही जो भी अभी पॉजिटिविटी का सोर्स जितने लोग हैं ना, इनके साथ एक ग्रैंड सेलिब्रेशन होगा।
ब्यूटीफुल, ब्यूटीफुल। See how normal it
दीप्ति
is, right?
बॉम्बे से आई थी।
अच्छा, बैंगलोर से आई थी वो, बैंगलोर।
बैंगलोर से अलीशा,
अरे कोई
बैंगलोर
नहीं, अभी तुम क्या पता अगले साल तुम मुंबई में हो।
पॉसिबल है।
Right. So now we are
that's
going to break this illusion of time, right? And when I'm talking about this, so this is actually scientifically also proved. This is also in our Upanishads, in our scriptures. How? If I say about Ramayana was written by Valmiki ji, right? तो वाल्मीकि जी ने जब रामायण लिखी, वो फ्यूचर में जाके लिखी थी, तब तक हुई नहीं थी रामायण, राइट? जब वेद व्यास जी ने महाभारत लिखी तो उन्होंने पास्ट में जाके लिखी थी, तो उन्होंने हर एक डिस्क्रिप्शन कैसे लिखा? It means you can see n number of videos, movies on time travel. So that's not false. That is possible because you can actually, you just traveled, right? It's just illusion. Always remember कि वो 1 मिनट इतना लंबा क्यों लग रहा है और वो 1 घंटा इतना छोटा क्यों लग रहा है. ठीक है? Time is just relatable. Okay? So now, the life area assessment. What is in your worksheet, right? So daily life, if you want, you can do it right now with me. So एक अच्छा सा वो लिख लो. क्या? Statement for the life area assessment if you want. If time was not a barrier, what would my financial decisions be today? यही है ना क्वेश्चन कि अगर टाइम बैरियर नहीं है and you have made that your new normal, right? That's your new normal. Now daily life में आप कैसे करोगे? Now when I say the first point is daily life, right? So if you were already wealthy, क्या आप जल्दी जल्दी कॉफी पी के भाग जाओगे ऑफिस? Am I there? Okay. Network issues? हाँ? या आराम से बैठ के will you enjoy your meals? You will be sitting in the lawn, right? And how would you sleep? Would you be sleeping, if you're wealthy, would you be sleeping in a lot of stress? Or would you sleep calm, peacefully?
Like a child.
How would you be? Yes. How would you be talking to people? Right? So this is
Very
your daily,
gracefully.
very gracefully, right? That is what you have to own. So this is all your daily life, that what would you stop doing and what would you start doing? Are you getting it? So what would you stop and what would you start? So this is the first question, right? In the daily life. Then comes your money. We already did it. कि भैया आप अपना जो बैंक बैलेंस है वो कैसे देखोगे? कल तक कैसे देख रहे थे? टेंशन हो रही थी, स्ट्रेस आ रहा था कि यू नो कि कैसे पूरा होगा, सेविंग्स नहीं है या आगे किसी
एप्लीकेशन
को
खोलने का मन नहीं कर रहा था.
एप्लीकेशन नहीं खोलना है ना? आयुषी वाज सेइंग कि इससे किससे कैसे होगा, इसको बढ़ाना है, राइट? बट अगर आप ऑलरेडी वेल्दी हो, how would you behave when you are seeing your bank app? क्यूरियोसिटी होगी या डर लगेगा या डेबिट देख के चिंता हो जाएगी?
स्टेबिलिटी रहेगी, मन शांत रहेगा.
Exactly. So how does the
Casual.
rich version of you would treat money? अगर किसी को देना भी पड़ रहा है तो would you think 10 times?
No.
So just see that how will you treat money if you are already rich? And time is not a barrier. हम आज की बात ही कर रहे हैं, ठीक है? हम आज की ही बात कर रहे हैं. Time is not a barrier. Understand that. You're breaking that barrier, right? Third point is how would be your relationships? Now, if you're a wealthy person, will you be having your own boundaries or you let anyone drain your energy? Right? The other question can be, whom would you like to spend your time with? So you can add these questions, you can start answering these questions in that. Yes, Alisha, what did you say?
It's like मेरा तो nobody. I would like to sit alone.
So if you're a wealthy, rich person, you would like to sit in your own space.
Yes, same.
That's okay, write it. So if you're wealthy, put it for yourself.
स्टॉप में क्या लिखना है?
Sorry,
स्टॉप में क्या
what did you
लिखना है?
stop? अभी तक कैसे बिहेव कर रहे थे? वैसे नहीं करने का है.
मैंने मेरे लिए लिखा है that I have to stop anger, चिड़चिड़ापन,
So
and
क्योंकि wealthy लोग,
start grounded towards earth. थोड़ा सा humbleness I have to show now
right,
to other person.
right.
तो स्टॉप वाला कहाँ
क्योंकि
लिख, as in we have to write पहले
First, first वाले question में Shweta, I have asked, no, like in daily life, what would you stop and what would you start doing? Right? And the fourth question is also relatable only, like, lifestyle. कि आप कैसे उठोगे, आपका खाना पीना कैसा होगा, right? What is in your lifestyle? Your habits. जंक खा रहे होगे. कुछ लोग जंक खाते हैं क्या? हेल्दी खाना खाते हैं.
Salads,
लाविश खाते हैं, बिल्कुल.
lavish,
थोड़ा खाते हैं, स्टाइल में खाते हैं, राइट? ऐसे
midnight
प्लेटों में
Coke.
भर भर के नहीं. हाँ. प्लेटों में भर भर के नहीं खाते, राइट? So start behaving like a rich person.
आपकी बात से
हेल्दी
याद
एंड
आया,
सोफिस्टिकेटेड।
सिस्टर शिवानी का एक एपिसोड में शी सेड राजा के बेटे को याद नहीं दिलाना पड़ता कि वो राजा का बेटा है.
Exactly.
वी आर रॉयल.
Royal. Beautiful. Right? Now, write in bold terms that these are not dreams. This is your frequency. This is not dream which you just saw, right? In the visualization thing. This is your frequency. And now look at all the points which you have just written and write one statement that you would like to claim for your new identity. मतलब कैसे? तो आप statement लिखोगे कि if there was no tomorrow, what would I claim today? अगर कल नहीं है तो मैं आज अपनी कौन सी आइडेंटिटी को होल्ड करना चाहती हूँ. ठीक है? What is that identity I would like to claim if there is no tomorrow?
ये कहाँ लिखना है?
Last उनके बाद में
वर्कशीट या नोट्स? अच्छा,
वर्कशीट
उसके
के
अंदर.
बाद में लिख लो. Put everything in your notebook only, right? Write that one statement that if you are so. I'll just give you some examples, right? So I claim that I am a world-class coach today.
What is the identity you would like to claim?
Yes, today, right? If there is no tomorrow, what is that identity?
ये तो सोचा ही नहीं है.
यही तो सोचना है. Can you see that this is such a profound question to your own self? That what identity would I like to claim, or I would claim rather, not like to, I would claim if there is no tomorrow, right? क्योंकि हमें आज में जीना है.
ये I think I need to put in some thought into this. अभी
But it,
आज इवनिंग का ही स्टेट ऑफ माइंड ये था कि ये कोचिंग वोचिंग पढ़ लिया, कुछ कर तो रही नहीं हूँ, एस्ट्रोलॉजी पढ़ लेती हूँ, शायद क्लाइंट्स आने लग जाए. सो क्लैरिटी नहीं है शायद.
yes, this is what we are doing. So I am to claiming that I'm a world-class coach today because I put you all into that thought, in that mode, in that zone. I claim that
I am claiming I am a global leadership coach, coaching top athletes and leaders
today.
today.
Say today. Today.
Today, okay.
I am claiming that I am a successful businesswoman and everyone is calling to me for taking my podcast. I am coming in TEDx and I am also giving interview in figuring out. Yes.
ठीक है. आयुषी इसको सिर्फ छोटा सा स्टेटमेंट लिखेंगे अभी. सिर्फ वन आइडेंटिटी जो आइडेंटिटी करेगी वो सब नहीं, सिर्फ एक आइडेंटिटी, राइट? अंडरस्टैंड कीर्ति, देयर इज अ नेटवर्क इश्यू.
अलीशा तो टॉप लीडर रहेगी.
यही सोच
श्वेता,
रही थी, क्लैरिटी एंड प्रोडक्टिविटी कोच, वर्ल्ड क्लास
superb.
या स्ट्रैटेजी वाला भी ऐड करते
लीडरशिप। उस पे कॉन्फिडेंस नहीं आ रहा मुझे
Shweta,
अभी।
what comes you? What comes for you, Shweta?
It was already there on my vision board, तो मैंने वही लिखा है. I am the global icon in terms of healing work, motivation, and counseling.
So I claim that I am.
I claim today that I am the global icon in terms of healing work, motivation, and counseling.
So I claim today, nahi, I am this today. Are you
Okay.
getting me? I claim.
Hmm.
I claim this identity of mine today, right?
Okay.
I wrote that I am successful businesswoman in digital world today.
Yes, superb, right? So Kirti saying that I claim that I'm running the best quality handloom sari studio, not just in India but overseas. So you can write that I claim that I'm an international what owner of handloom saris today. Are you getting it, Kirti? Did you get the statement? बस हो गया मेरा बच्चा, क्लोजिंग करेंगे, right? Super. Okay. I hope that helped today. Neeta, you want to share, dear? आप लिख कर भेजोगे? See, until unless you start opening up in the room, वो resistances हैं, ठीक है? हमें नहीं पता चल रहा है, and we are feeling that this is our own space. नहीं, we all are same. Though we are unique, but we are all same. We need to accept that. ठीक है? We are all part of universe, right? Don't feel hesitant or right. So now you have to write that very in a bold letters, paste it anywhere where you can see it. Now this is your new identity which you have to see and claim every day. What will be your task for tomorrow is you have to send the picture of the statement where you have pasted it. It could be anywhere. See, we are not going to do anything fake things. ठीक है? यहाँ पे सब असली में होने वाले हैं, right? No dramatizations, but the real work, right? And that is why you people are here, because I know that you won't be doing the faking wala काम, ठीक है? Pretension नहीं चलेगा, right? And from tomorrow onwards, you will be in that identity, ठीक है? Start करो. This is just a beginning. You are जो नीता दिखाई दी वहां पे, right? Start believing in it. Shweta, you have that figure. Own that. Walk. वो नहीं होता क्या? Walk like that, talk like that. कौन सा? हाँ, तो वैसे ही
I
करना.
I will also share something from yesterday's experience. So पहले क्या होता था ना, जब कॉफी मग्स खरीदने होते थे तो सोचते थे कि यार ये 50 रुपीज वाला ठीक है, 100 रुपीज का कॉफी मग कौन लेता है। so भी कुछ दिन पहले मैंने एक लिया था कि मैं अच्छा वाला रखूंगी। कल वाली कॉल के बाद मैंने 500 और सॉरी 900 का सेट ऑर्डर किया कि अब मैं अच्छे वाले कॉफी मग में पानी पीऊंगी, अब नहीं पीऊंगी तो कब पी।
Exactly, you're already rich. See, start owning that
बोला कि
identity.
कब करूंगी ये सब।
Yes. So now, also you start choosing that one act, like how you chose one act, right? That maybe like you sit taller. Yes, right? Maybe you speak with curiosity. Have you seen rich people? How do they talk? Wow, is it? Wow, amazing.
हम वैसे ही बोलते प्रीति.
Yes. You are already rich. So, right? So maybe you are choosing the quality of over your whatever the habit it was. Like हम अभी कैसे ऐसे बैठ जाते थे ऐसे. Rich people ऐसे नहीं बैठेंगे भाई. स्टाइल में बैठने का, ठीक है? स्टाइल में बात करने का, right? So, and if it is not style, it is grace, your elegance, right? Carry that. It is not that you have to, do overdose of anything, right? But the grace comes, right? आपके पास आप अगर एक अगर मैं बोलूं कि भाई अगर आप सदर बाजार जा रहे हो तो आपकी चाल अलग होगी, राइट? अगर आप 7 स्टार होटल में जा रहे हो तो आपकी चाल अलग हो जाती है. हो तो आप वही नो, है ना? क्यों फिर चाल अलग हो गई? क्यों कपड़े अलग हो गए? क्यों बोलने का ढंग? भैया 5 रुपया कम करना, 100 रुपया कम करना, इतना क्या? सदर बाजार, राइट? और 7 स्टार में भैया राइट?
टिप भी
So
देकर
let's
आते हैं एक्स्ट्रा.
टिप भी देकर आते हैं, yes, right? So this is the richness, right? So what are you gonna type in the group today?
What we came to
Now, NOW. कल क्लियर लिखा था ग्रुप में, जल्दी से लिख कर आओ. Now, NOW. मेन
मेन
ग्रुप
ग्रुप
में
में
लिख कर आओ, 50 वाले ग्रुप में. हाँ, जिसमें कल क्लियर लिखा था ना, वहां पे नाउ लिख कर आओ. NOW. So when you are typing now, it means that you are telling your universe that I am not waiting, I am already ready. I am not waiting, I am ready. Now, you have claimed that identity, right? So tomorrow what we are going to do is we are going to clear all your Rin. So tomorrow will be the day for Rin Mukti. The debt trauma, the money trauma detox we are going to do, right? कल हो सकता है आपको टिश्यूज की जरूरत पड़े, हैंकी लेकर आना, ठीक है?
ये वर्कशीट पेस्ट करना है ग्रुप में.
हाँ बिल्कुल, so that जो नहीं आए उनको भी पता चले. And this will be your task, no? You will get 1 star for this, right? Understand, receiving the task is important to receive your bonuses. They are actually not a bonus, that is going to be the complementary, which will help you with all the process which you are going to do the whole week. So once you're done, you have typed now, we'll just get into the closing ceremony, right? The closing ritual.
It's
Back.
done. Can we do it? Need to rush.
Yeah. So feel the feel the ground, feet flat. Yes. Feel the earth is holding you. Put your hand on your heart and say that I am grateful for the clarity I gained today.
I am grateful for the clarity
I gained today. Yes. I am grateful for the clarity I gained today. I am grateful for the courage which I got to face the truth. I am grateful for my courage to face the truth. I am grateful for the person I am becoming. I am grateful for the person I am becoming. Repeat after me. What I learned today, I become today. What I learned today, I become today. What I released today stays released. What I released today stays released. I am logged into this frequency. Doubt no longer leads me. No fear can reach me. And now right hand on your heart, left hand on your belly. Breathe deeply into both your belly and your heart. Exhale. Feel protected, feel saved. Love yourself more. Hug yourself. Yes. Wow. ठीक है? चलो. Love yourself. Any queries, you can put it in the group. Be vigilant about your tasks. It's very important because it's deep process. ठीक है? I know. आप लोगों ने उसमें छलांग मार दी है. पीछे नहीं हटना है. ठीक है? And set the consequences for yourself. That what if you're not able to do, you're not able to attend the live or not able to, what should be the consequences for you? Share it with me. Right? Only then your mind will, stop resisting. Okay? Chale? Thank you so much. Bye-bye.